Welcome to CarTechHome channel. Like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to keep updated every time we post our latest car troubleshooting guide video. When your car starts, but blue smoke comes out the exhaust after starting. Several reasons are causing this to happen, but it depends on the condition when the problem occurs. In addition to blue smoke after starting, if the engine has less power, especially going uphill, then the problem is bad rings. The combination of blue smoke from the exhaust, along with the loss of engine power, is a telltale sign of the rings being bad. The rings keep the engine oil from entering the combustion chambers. They also maintain proper compression for adequate power. Therefore, when the rings are bad or worn, the seal between the piston and cylinder wall is inadequate. This condition causes oil to leak into the combustion chamber and burn, hence, blue smoke. Also, it causes weak compression, which means weak engine power. The worse the rings, the more blue smoke, the weaker the engine. The remedy? You'll need either a ring job or a new engine. As you may expect, this is going to be serious money. If your car is still under warranty, then you're covered. If not, first take your car to a machine shop that specializes in your car make. Have the mechanic positively verify that the rings are indeed bad. This can be done with a wet compression test. This test involves removing one of the spark plugs and screwing the compression gauge into the spark plug hole. Then taking a compression reading while the engine is cranking. The compression gauge is unscrewed and some oil is squirted into the cylinder. The compression gauge is then screwed back in. Then, another reading is taken while the engine is cranking. If the second reading is significantly higher than the first, the rings are indeed bad. After considering the cost of a ring job or new engine, you may want to junk your car. If you notice the blue smoke when accelerating when you step down the gas pedal, then the problem is the bad valve stem seal. As indicated, that the blue smoke comes from the exhaust, mainly when you accelerate. This is generally an indication of bad or worn valve stem seals. Some oil is leaking past the valve stems and into the combustion chamber. This oil then burns and comes out of the exhaust as blue smoke. The remedy? You will need to have the valve stem seals replaced. If your car is still under warranty, this procedure will be covered. If it's not, you're facing a fairly big expense. If you notice the blue smoke every time, then another possibility is a leaking turbocharger seal. Occasionally, the seals of a turbocharger leak, causing oil to reach the exhaust system of a car. The oil smokes when it comes in contact with hot exhaust components. Then, of course, out it comes blue smoke. The remedy? Take your car to a garage and have the mechanic verify that the turbocharger seals are leaking.